this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show those of you that don't have an Instant Pot how to fix corn on the cob in the Instant Pot. It's so easy that you won't believe it. Alright, the first thing, I've got 2 cups of water in here, and I have 6 ears of corn on one of my trivets, and I'm going to make sure that this is on sealing, which it is. I'm going to put it on. Okay, so I've got it on here. I'm going to lock it. And then I'm going to go, let me fix this so you can see. Zoom in a little bit. I've got it on, I'm going to hit manual. And then I'm going to go, let's see, what is... No, 5 minutes. All right, I'm going to take it down to, I'm going to go 3 minutes. But I'm going to go, well, manual, and I'm going to have to go all the way down to 3 minutes. Because it says that you can do it in 2, but since I've got 3 in there, 3 ears of corn in there, I'm going to go on and do it for 3 minutes. And then you're supposed to do a quick release, so I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I have 1 ear on the cob and one ear off the cob. I want to see what it tastes like both ways. I'm just going to show y'all with like this and see what it tastes like. I've got margarine in here, and yes, I have been using butter, and I wanted some whipped butter, so I got the only kind that I could find, which was Land O'Lakes, and that has the butter taste that I do not like. So with this, because I wanted the whipped margarine, I've got my Bluebonnet margarine out here, and I'll use butter for cooking, but for spreading on things, I'll use my Bluebonnet. Alright, so here's the corn. Let me taste it. They have corn at Walmart right now for 20 cents an ear. And I absolutely love corn. I love corn. And this was easy. I'm telling you, it didn't take but 15 minutes. And, I mean, I was in there, I'm fixing some bone broth, and I was in the kitchen putting that out together while this was cooking in the Instant Pot. So, this is 2 minutes. Well, I went on and did this for 3 because I have 6 ears of corn in here. So good. Alright, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to purchasing your own Instant Pot. And there'll be a link to my Facebook, my Twitter, and Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats, where you can get, see if they come to your area and purchase bulk meats at absolute amazing prices. So, you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.